In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive and restore a post on Substack. If you've ever published something and then realized you need to pull it back, maybe to fix an error, update details, or simply take it offline for a while, this quick process will let you hide a post from your publication and bring it back when you're ready. Start by opening your Substack dashboard, often called Home. This is the main workspace where you manage everything. From here, head to the Posts section. This view lists your published pieces so you can quickly spot the one you want to take down. Hover over or open the post and choose Unpublish. Substack may ask you to confirm, so click Unpublish again to finalize. That's it. The post is now hidden from your public publication and moved into drafts. Think of this as archiving. The content isn't deleted, it's just taken out of circulation until you decide otherwise. When it's time to restore the post, go back to your dashboard and open drafts. You'll find the unpublished post there. Click Edit to open it in the editor. This is a great moment to make any updates, fix typos, or refresh the headline and tags so the piece is ready for prime time. Once things look good, click Continue to move to the publishing step. On the final screen, choose Publish Now to republish the post to your site. In just a few clicks, it goes live again for your readers. A few quick tips to keep your workflow smooth. Before unpublishing, note any links you've shared externally, since the public page won't be available while the post is in drafts. While you're in edit, preview the post to double-check images, embeds, and formatting. If you use paywalls or sections, confirm those settings still match your intent before you click Publish Now. And if you can't immediately find a post, use the search bar or filters in the Posts and Drafts views to narrow things down by title or status. That's the complete loop. Open Home, go to Posts, unpublish and confirm, then head to Drafts, Edit, Continue and Publish Now to restore. With this approach, you can confidently archive a post when needed and bring it back just as easily. For peace of mind, remember that your content stays intact in drafts while it's archived, so you won't lose your work. If you collaborate with others, consider adding a short note in the editor about what you changed, so it's easy to track updates later. And whenever you're ready, repeat the same steps to archive again or bring a post back to your publication.